Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 laptop 16-inch Wuxka, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You guys, have you been searching for the perfect gaming laptop? One that can handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat? I've got some good news for you, we've found it. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16 laptop 16-inch Wuxka is one beast of a machine that's about to blow your mind. This laptop is designed for gamers who want the best of both worlds, raw power and stunning visuals. With its AMD Ryzen 7 7445HS processor, you can expect lightning-fast performance that'll keep up with even the most intense gaming sessions. But what really sets it apart is its incredible display, a gorgeous 16-inch Wuxka IPS screen that's not only anti-glare but also boasts a blistering 144Hz refresh rate. You know how frustrating it can be to deal with laggy graphics and subpar performance? Not on this laptop, folks. The dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 6GB graphic card is like having your own personal gaming console right in your lap. It's the perfect combination of raw power and efficiency that'll ensure you're always ahead of the game. But it's not just about the specs, it's about how they come together to create an incredible user experience. And let me tell you, this laptop delivers. The 1TB SSD storage is lightning fast, making it a breeze to load up your favorite games and switch between apps with ease. Plus, with its dual USB-C ports, you can charge multiple devices at once without any hassle. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this laptop worth the investment? And my answer is, absolutely. With its impressive specs, stunning display, and seamless performance, this laptop checks all the boxes for gamers who want the best of everything. Whether you're a casual gamer or an hardcore enthusiast, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 laptop 16-inch Wuxka is definitely worth considering. In our real-world testing, we've found that this laptop delivers on its promises. The keyboard is comfortable and responsive, perfect for long gaming sessions. The speakers are also surprisingly good, with clear highs and deep bass that'll enhance your gaming experience. And the battery life? It's impressive. You can easily get a full day of gaming without needing to recharge. Of course, no product is perfect, and there are a few minor complaints to be aware of. The keyboard backlighting can be a bit dim at times, and the cooling system does get a bit loud when pushed to its limits. But these are minor quibbles in an otherwise exceptional machine. So, should you buy this laptop? Absolutely. If you're looking for a powerful gaming machine that'll keep up with your most demanding games, look no further. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16 laptop 16-inch Wuxka is the perfect choice for gamers who want it all: raw power, stunning visuals, and seamless performance. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.